Hello, this is Terrell Pauly with Healthcare IT Solutions, and in today's video, what I want to do is actually do a quick DICOM test with you guys out there, and so I just wanted to run through a quick scenario here. So let's get started. I want to do a DICOM echo test. So this is what we're going to go through here, scenario where I do a DICOM echo with utilizing the DICOM toolkit as one device, and then the other device is going to be the Orthanc DICOM server. Now, if you want to know about in the description of this video, I will link to the videos if you have not set up your DICOM's your Orthanc DICOM server or the DICOM toolkit. If you haven't installed that, I'll link to some videos in this description of this one here, so you can get that information, and also in how you can also do a DICOM echo utilizing the DICOM toolkit. But in this scenario, I want to just run through a quick example here. A quick scenario. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get to our Echo SCU. All right. Here, and then if we do echo SCU, okay, so this is our echo SCU command here, and so we can make sure we have the correct parameters that we're going to use. And let's go ahead and open up another command prompt real quick. CD. Okay. Now, let us, in this scenario here, I have my my DICOM servers up and running. So let's just verify. You see the Orthanc DICOM servers up and running right here. So let's just we're going to see if we can do a DICOM Verify using Echo SCU. So let's do, right. So Echo SCU, the peer, so the host name of the DICOM server, the host name of the DICOM server, Orthanc DICOM server, which is this laptop here. So we could do 127.0.0.1. Port number, the default port number 4242. And let's see here. And we want to set up the called AE title so the AE title of the DICOM server that we're actually calling, which is the Orthanc DICOM server. So, right. And if we want to take a look at the some log data, we'll use the parameter LL dash LL warn, or not warn, but info. So we want to see info. And now, before we run this command real quick, we can actually, let's go to our configuration, Orthanc configuration file. Orthanc server configuration. So C program files, Orthanc server configuration, orthanc.json. We can edit that with Notepad++, or take a look at it. So if you recall, if you come in this configuration file here, if you come down to the configuration of the DICOM server, this is where you have your information here for your DICOM, your AE title and the port number, and also the transfer syntaxes that are used and things of that nature. So, which is pretty much it for the most part, DICOM SCP timeout. So now you see what the AE title and port number is. So we come here, and so we're going to try to do a DICOM echo, echo verify with the local host, the port number 4242. The Orthanc is the AE title, and we just want to have the logs. We want to see the information in the logs on the command prompt. So now if we do enter, too many parameters, error, too many parameters. So let's go to and I messed up here. So this needs to be AE for the called AE title. I missed that parameter. All right, so set called AE title appear. Okay, so right here, this lets us know that we the echoscu command actually requested association. The association request failed. It failed to establish an association, and then the peer meaning the SCP or the destination actually aborted their association, or it never connected. So based on what we've just seen thus far, can anybody tell me why the association failed? Based on what we've seen, based on what you've seen on the screen, if you could tell me why the association failed in the comments, let me know. This is just a quick scenario that I like to see if you know the answer to. So why? Looks like everything that we have set up looks correctly. Let's clear screen. We got our host IP. We have the default port number. We have the AE title of the Orthanc DICOM server, and if we've already verified that the service, the Orthanc server, is up. It's up and running. So if anybody could tell me in the comments, why did these actual DICOM verification fail? And I'm just curious if you guys know. So this is just a quick little scenario I just wanted to run through. And thanks. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Oh, and before I head out, again, I'll link to, if you guys want to know how I ran through the install of the Orthanc DICOM server, and also installed the DICOM toolkit, and how I actually ran through a deep scenario of DICOM of the echoscu. I'll link to those in the actual description of this video here. So again, my name is Terrell Pauly. You guys take care.